Hello, dear customer. Now we are in our warehouse and checking your Velcro goods. And now we check this package. This one is the supermarket, and this is the order number, description, and the size, quality, and the weight. Now you see this size is 15 mm. The color, this color is 350 302. Now we see this. And this one is our looper size. And this one is our pocket size. Now let's check the size for you. And this one, the size should be is 15 mm. Now let's see the size. And you can see this size is 5 cm. It is 15 mm. And now we check the pocket one. And you can see this is the same size of 5 cm. It is 15 mm. Okay, now let's check the color. The color is green yellow too. This one. And you check the color is the same. And this is for pocket size. Now let's check the looper size. Looper size also the color is the same. Now let's see the effort for looper and pocket type. And you can see the hooker is good. Okay, after we checking your goods, we will send the goods to your agent. Thank you.